Hey everybody, welcome back to Mixing with the Geek. I am very excited to show you how to make a Thom Collins. Now this is my own twist on the classic cocktail. I'm gonna be adding some cucumber to spice it up a little bit, and hence the reason I call it Thom with an H, just like Thom Yorke of Radiohead spells his name with an H. This cocktail pairs nicely with OK Computer, their 1997 classic. So without further ado, let's begin. We're gonna grab our mixing tin and adding 3 cucumber wheels. Now we're gonna muddle. Next, we're gonna add 2 ounces of London dry gin, followed by an ounce of fresh lemon juice. And lastly, we're gonna add 3/4 of an ounce of rich simple syrup. Now this is really easy to make at home. Just add 2 cups of sugar to 1 cup of water, heat up till it dissolves, and then chill in the fridge. Now we're gonna add some fresh ice, and now we shake. Next, we're gonna grab a Collins glass and fill it up with some fresh ice. Now we're gonna strain the contents of our mixing tin into the Collins glass. And finally, we're gonna top with some club soda. We're gonna take our straw, kind of give it a nice little stir like so, and then we're gonna garnish with a lemon wheel, and there you have a Thom Collins. Let's see how it tastes. Oh boy. Oh yes. Love this cocktail. The lemon and the cucumber play so nicely with the gin. Like, even if you don't like gin, you'll love this cocktail because you barely taste it. All it does is lends floral notes to the cocktail. Really great stuff. Well, that'll do it for this time around. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out my review of Radiohead's OK Computer. It's a fantastic album. Well, guys, I hope you have fun making your own Thom Collins, and be sure to enjoy responsibly. I'm your Vinyl Geek, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Hey guys, thanks again for checking out this Mixing with the Geek episode. Now, if you're thirsty for more, I put a whole playlist right there, as well as a direct link to my review of Radiohead's OK Computer. So go ahead and click away.